Simple Green OxySolve House and Siding Cleaner uses the high-performance power of peroxide to provide professional-grade results without hazardous, abrasive, or corrosive chemicals. The pressure washer concentrate cleans, brightens, and rejuvenates a wide variety of outdoor surfaces, from aluminum, vinyl, or wood siding to stucco and masonry. This fast-acting foam cuts through black streaks, discoloration from mold and mildew, tree sap, pollen, soot, ash, and other tough grime that leaves your home looking dingy or stained. It then rinses clean with an orally non-toxic and biodegradable formula that is safer for plants and landscaping. It rejuvenates the look of brick, stone, and cinderblock without damaging mortar or concrete, brightens trim without harmful bleach, and is non-corrosive to metals and non-degrading to plastics, eliminating overspray concerns. It has been certified as an EPA Safer Choice product and is safer for use around people, pets, wildlife, and waterways. People choose Simple Green products because they work. We trust their performance so much that we back them with our own 100% money-back guarantee.